Ever look at your screen and think, yep, this is chaos in 4K? That was me. Every project, every deadline, a digital disaster zone. This tool literally transforms my workflow. It turns raw screenshots into crisp, on-brand visuals instantly. No Photoshop, no Canva sessions, no caffeine-fueled all-nighters. It's not just about looking professional, it's about saving time. The less I polish, the more I create. And that's where productivity actually scales. If you want this kind of speed and freedom, links in the bio. Try it free and see how much smoother your creative life can be.